My name's Mark Griffiths. I'm with SOY, Support Ontario Youth, and the segment we're working on is the Tools and the Trades Bootcamp. There's 4 different trades we're doing: horticulture, plumbing, electric, and automotive. But we split the day into 2. So the kids get a $250 beautiful toolkit. Those toolkits are given out at the trade event. And then I do a section called essential employability skills. We're trying to give them the essential employability skills to get to the next level. The skill set's very important, of course, but what the employers always said is attitude is more important than aptitude. So your attitude, your positive, optimistic attitude is more important than actually your skill set. And we teach them interviewing and skills and also resume building.
So this is my 4th year straight in the program, and I really like this program. They have a lot of opportunity for kids who want to go into the trades and who haven't really been able to grasp the university lifestyle. Transportation technology at Austin has really helped me figure out what I want to do in life and helped me grow as more than just a student, but also as a person. Vincent Carnovale is definitely a big help to this program, and I'm really glad to have him as my teacher.